is definitely welcome aboard. Please commit by those only, no adult lap sitting.
Hello, everyone. Welcome aboard the Mickey and Friends Tram.
What is up, guys and gals? Guess where I am? So we're at Disneyland today. My beautiful Aladdin. You can barely see it, but you know, it's here. So our first order of business is to get a cinnamon roll and Starbucks. We're walking into the Emporium right now. Ooh, it's bright in here. I need to get a phone case too. Phone case. They're right here, Mom. Phone cases. They have so many phone cases. I love it. They're amazing. Oh, I like this goofy one. I want this one. Oh, fuss. No, this is my phone. Oh no, I don't want this one. What the heck? I love this one. It looks Disney-ified and oh no, this is the same one. Okay. I think this is the winner, Mom. You want that one? I like this one. Look at all the pens. I like that one. I like that one, and I like that one. They have two. So I'm deciding not to get the case now, but I'm gonna get it later. Oh, by the way, I got an iPhone 6s. So here's my phone. It's pineapples. Now we're gonna go over to Jolly Holiday for a cinnamon roll. So we stopped to get a beautiful cinnamon roll that Zip orders, and we also have Starbucks, so our day is going well. And there he is, a wild Disneyland duck, just approaching us. just living his life. There is his friend. They feel like partying and seeing Genie in their Aladdin with the magic carpet.
They live off scraps.
And there's another wild Disneyland duck as it approaches, and it leaves very so slowly. Goodbye, see you later. The next ride. My. Let's go say hi to our mice. Aw, they're gorgeous, aren't they? Love them. So, this is practically a walk-on. No one's in line.
On the bobsled run.
We just walked on.
Just
Amazing. So we're gonna ride again, but on the Fantasyland side.
To a breathtaking bobsled run down Matterhorn Mountain. Before you reach the bobsled run, please observe the seating diagram overhead. And once on board, be sure to put your hat, glasses, and any loose items in a secure place. Thank you. We'll see you on the bobsled run.
So we're riding the Fantasyland side now, so I'm in the front. Twice time. Let's go. That was fun. We're riding it again. third time.
Cuidado con el cinturón de seguridad ajustado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y pies.
Yes. Now we're gonna go ride Hyperspace, which is or Hyper Mountain if you want to be specific. It's Space Mountain, but they overlaid it to be Star Wars. So I'm pretty sure there's like a 40-minute wait for that one, but you know, yep. It's like 9 o'clock and we're in Tomorrowland, so why not? Audiotopia is looking pretty good. I like it. Air conditioning. Air conditioning. I love this. I got a blast off. See you later. Love it. People. I give that 10 out of 10 trees. That was amazing. So now we're riding Star Tours.
And you're just like,
it's a 20-minute wait, but we're still outside, so I'm thinking it's like 40, but people say it's 20, so. When I get older, I can't wait to work here. Can't wait.
Stop being best friends.
This is a message to all my people at school. I'm sorry I've broken up with you. He is my new boyfriend. C3PO, yeah. Been going out for quite some time. I'm sorry I didn't tell you before, but we have a flight to the bottom one together to go to Paris. So sorry I had to break up with you, but he even has a pet. No, it's actually his best friend, but I'm dating him. It's true love right there.
It's helped me rather than scrap pile. At least I'm doing my job. Yes. So just you make that picture.
Attention to the following safety information. When the automatic doors have opened, please proceed directly across the ramp into the cabin. Continue to move all the...
That was amazing. They revamped it for the new movie Star Wars, The Force Awakens. So pretty happy about that. We are now going to ride Astro Blasters, which is the shooting game. So I'm gonna win you an Astro Blaster.
Are vital. Without them, we are doomed. Commander Buzz Lightyear.
Is it working? Mom won. That's mine.
Check the status board to determine your rank.
That's what she said. I challenge a rematch later. No. So now we're going to go take a trip over to Adventureland. Wait, do you want to go to Frontierland or Adventureland? That's this. Adventure's over there. This is Frontierland. That's Frontierland. We're going to Big Thunder Mountain. Here's a lovely pond. It's amazing. It's not a pond, it's more like a river, but you know, same thing. Big Thunder's only a 5-minute wait. We gotta ride it now. We picked a good day to go. Good day. We're just living large, you know? We don't even have a fast pass. And we're like, walk on here. This is amazing. I get both sides. I'm blocking you from this end. So we're gonna ride the very back, which is row 15. So we just rode it, it was amazing. Now we're heading off to Pirates of the Caribbean. It'll be fun. And then we're gonna go to Haunted Mansion, and then we'll see where we are there. The clouds are slowly rolling in, and now we're gonna go ride pirates, as I said. Hey, look at the rivers of America. Maybe they went on and never got off. I didn't even have to ask for row 1. We get the boat.
For your safety, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet.
My entire butt is wet. It was a wet ride. Very, you know, wet. Woo!
Hinges creak in doorless chambers, and strange and frightening sounds echo through the halls. Whenever candlelights flicker, where the air is deathly still, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis.
Hey, there's Bob and Barbara, looking alive. Look alive. Oh, I forgot about you. I forgot about it. Oh my god. They just added him in. I forgot about him.
Grim grinning ghosts come out to sectional.
So, we're ready to Splash Mountain. I was talked into this under my own will, so we'll see how this goes. I have baggies, so don't worry. Don't worry. We're gonna ride, ride. Okay, here we go. This is amazing. 10 out of 10, 100 trees. Oh no, 100 out of 10 trees. It's amazing. So 2 hours or so has passed. I put my hair up and look what we got. It's a 6-piece cone with cookie dough and rainbow sherbet. So we're riding submarines. Yellow. The yellow submarine. The yellow submarine. The Beatles. I rode Space, Hyper Mountain. Hyperspace Mountain. That makes sense, totally. So we are now playing this beautiful submarine, or not gonna ride this beautiful submarine now. And we're gonna have fun doing it, so. Yeah. Ooh, they touched the butt. Nemo swimming out to sea.
As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Remarkable advances in marine technology. We can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you? Too deep for you, animal. Oh, don't worry. Just keep your eyes open for on the way.
It's amazing.
Let's go. To the east.
So I'm back from that beautiful extravaganza. I got back last night, which was like around 2 a.m. We saw Paint the Night. We met up with some friends, so that was pretty fun. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Make sure to subscribe because, you know, I might be going on some wild more adventures later on in the world of my life. So I guess I'll see you guys and gals later. Bye. Bye. Seen a teenager, almost a teenager, well, no, is a teenager, play a video game like The Very Organized Thief, which we are playing today. Now, I've heard stuff about this game. I've not played it yet, but